this, I don't mind chillin'. Them other niggas wasn't it, I promise I'm consistent. Keep you in the latest, they hating the way we livin'. I'm a boss and you a boss too. I love the floss, she love the floss too. Hoes asking where you get them Louis shoes, and I like your hairdo, so now they jockey. My bag ain't dropped, so this time she took me shopping. She said we make a cute couple, she really want me. Her nigga ain't real with that fake ass roadie. She don't fuck with street niggas, well at least that's what she told me. I could change a bitch mind with this loose change on me. I'm feeling kinda good, I'm about to make my bitch happy. We roof Chrisin', while her and her nigga order happies. These ratchet assholes on me cause they know I'm slapping. She want me to change my life and she hate that I be trapping. I'ma be home in a minute, baby. I'm getting money, stop tripping, baby. I've been doing a lot of spending lately. Finish praying, I'ma call you in a minute, baby.
What about when I need you? You don't understand, I'm feeling too. Look at all the things that we've been through. Me or the streets, boy, choose.
OG once told me it ain't what you do, it's how you do it. No matter what you do it right. Stay away from bullshit and get your paper tight. Real talk.
Do what you do, just make sure that you do it right. In this life, you've been out here so long, you hustle so strong. I know you get it gone by tonight.
Period. I get it gone, no hope. No doubt. You already know my hustle strong, Hulk Hogan. Bitch, you know I got it, not at that price. Talking 25, nigga, not in this life. Crazy being cheap, homeboy, come and get it. Even when the drop come, I never sweat it. I ain't tripping, you got the bars, I got some people out in Texas. All you gotta do is run it back, Jerome Bet. Gotta get them back. Every time I'm with a bitch, I think about freaks. And every time you hear our name, think about beats.